Growing up, I've always been fascinated with aircraft, particularly the Apache attack helicopter, and I never thought I'd be able to be up next to them, let alone work on them as a technician full-time. As an aviation technician, I work on the armament systems as well as the electrical systems. It's an incredibly complex and task-oriented job. The Apache is like a flying supercomputer. It's mostly computer systems with weapons attached to it. It's an incredibly intelligent aircraft, and there's many systems that have to function properly for the aircraft to work. It's a challenging career field. There's something new to do every single day. There's always more to learn, and I couldn't imagine myself doing anything else.